Me here from the Blog Academy, and I just wanted to show you really quickly how to use Linktree. So Linktree is a brilliant app, and you can do a lot for free. You can upgrade, of course, like everything else. But what it does is helping you to lead people into the place you want, rather than having to update every single time you put a post in, update your link in the bio. You just have one link here constantly, which is called Linktree, and you have your account. So when people click on the link in your bio, they land on this page. So you can then lead them on to your website or different courses or training or whatever it is you've got going on without having to change the link in the bio all the time. So it's a really convenient way to lead your potential customers or followers to the place you want them to go to. So we're going to create a new link here. So this is what it looks like. It's really straightforward, admirably straightforward. So you can see the preview of the page here to the right. And what we're going to do is we're going to add my YouTube channel here. So we're going to add a new link. And this is all you get here. So we're going to change the title, and we want to keep it really short and to the point, and preferably spell it correct. YouTube channel. That's all I want to share there. And then the URL, which I've pre-written. So that's it. Now you can do a lot of other things, but what I want to do is just to add an image. And what I'm going to do is to keep it real simple again. So I'm just going to upload a little image, which is just the YouTube logo in a PNG format, so we don't get the white border. We're just going to upload that, and there we are. Can you see here on the right side, it's already done it, and that's all we need to do. And then of course you can switch it on or switch it off so it disappears. If you want to save it for later, you just switch that green button off. But this is it, and it's all done. So now when you go to my Vlog Academy page and you go to Linktree, the link in the bio, we're going to click on that, and I'm going to have to refresh here. There we go. You go straight to my YouTube channel. So this is permanent there now until I change it, and here's my YouTube channel. So rather than changing your link in the bio every time you upload something, you just go to Linktree. So give it a go. Any questions, put them in the comment box below, and I'll be there for you. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned, and please do subscribe to the channel and to support, and also to get more updates and support for your online visibility. Bye for now.